Good morning, the Honorable Reviewer Team of Room C, Senta 2021, dear friend in Room C. Before presenting my paper with the title Empowerment Strategy of PT PAL as a lead integrator at Al-Palhankam KCR 60 to support Start Maritime Defense, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ristianto. My team is Mr. Siswo Pujatmoko, Mr. Muhammad Mualim, and Mr. Nugroho Adi Sasongko. We are from Indonesian Defense University. Next. The background of my research are three. First is the potency, like in the slide, Al-Palhankam, and the PT PAL. And the statement of problem, there are two. First is how is the participation of PT PAL as a lead integrator, and second, what is the strategy for empowering PT PAL as a lead integrator. And the purpose of the study is analyzing the participation of PT PAL as a lead integrator and analyzing the strategy of empowering PT PAL as lead integrator in the development of maintenance of Al-Palhankam. The next is theoretical benefits, and then the practical benefits, the target of study, and the output of study. First is the synergy between PT PAL and as lead integrator of the shipping industry and maritime services with other BUMN and BUMS of the national shipping industry, and continuing role of PT PAL to foster the quality of produced products by appointment of BUMN and BUMS. Next. The review of relative literature, we have some theory like the state defense, strategy, policy, management, logistic management, and maintenance management. Also, we have a theory of analytical process and SWOT analysis. Next. For the conceptual framework, with the inputs, the competency strategy of PT PAL as a lead integrator, and the statement of problems with the theories and the methods of study, data collection, data analysis, the result of development, and we have output is a PT PAL as the lead integrator has the optimal ability to develop and maintain Al-Palhankam KCR 60. Previous research related with our research are five. First is Priyo Dwi Puryono 2019 and Apriani 2016 and Bilkis Kibilah 2019, Putri Amalia 2017, and the last Fuji Diwastuti 2017. Research method, we use qualitative methods with the descriptive approach. Research place is the Office of PT PAL, Indonesian Navy Headquarters in Cilangkap, Armada 1 Jakarta, Armada 2 Surabaya, and First Photo Unit Headquarters and KRI Maspari 626. And research time from April to the October's, and source of data, primary data and secondary data. Research object is the empowerment strategy of PT PAL as lead integrator. Next. Research instruments, data collection and analysis techniques. Research instruments is guideline for the interview, recording equipment, and states of data analysis using the Miles and Haberman models. And the researchers use interactive models, which included data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing and verifying. And for data collection technique, employed by observation, interview, documentation, and triangulation. Come to the result and discussion. The IFAS internal factor analysis summary matrix will provide strength factors with the 4 points and weaknesses with the 4 point, which value is 2.88. And then for the external factor analysis summary, the opportunity also we have a 4 point, and the threat also have a 4 point, and the weight value total is 2.40 each. The SWOT analysis we are have the strength with development enablings, also opportunity, threat, and strategy as shown in the slide also. Next. Now come to the combined priority of overall SWOT factors. We have strength and opportunity in the first rank with 0.36, and weaknesses opportunity in the second rank, strength threat in the third rank, and weaknesses threat in the first rank. For the SWOT strategy metric with the analytical hierarchy process methods shown in, now we come to the strategy of strength opportunities. 2 points. First is improvement of shipyard infrastructure, and second is marketing to increase the cooperation with Indonesian Navy, Ministry of Defense to develop and maintain the KCR 60. Come to the conclusion. We have 4 points. First point, the empowerment of PT PAS. One is until the end of the 2020-2024 strategic plan. It is planned to build a total of 16 KCR 60. It's equipped with the 4C802 anti-surface missile and 16 KCR 40. It's equipped with the 2 C705 anti-surface missile built in China. And the second, PT PAL has built 6 KCR 60 units so far, 4 of which has been finished and are being operated by the Indonesian Navy, while the remaining 2 units are still being developed and will be completed in 2022. It is effective that PT PAL and the Indonesian Navy, we have secured one of the best KCR 60 prototypes, which will serve as a template for producing a significant number of KCR 60. And from the second point, the analysis of the development PT PAL's shipbuilding business was follow strengths, opportunity, weaknesses, and threat. And according the HCP analysis, the priority of strategy taking was the strategy of strength opportunities with 33.6%. For the recommendation, we also have 2. First, the involvement of the PT PALS as lead integrator. One, when the base design is invented, it is expected to serve as a blueprint for the development of the next KCR 60 platform. All infrastructure and equipments for PT PAL need to be improved. Second, specifically for installing of the sensor system, including the combat management system, the weapon system, and its synchronization, must still be carried out at PT PAL. The third, to boast of the ability of construct KCR 60, it is important to upgrade the outdated equipment, particularly in the department of sensing, equipment sensor, weapon, and electronics. And the second part is also here we have 3. First, the strengthen to support for maintenance and repair. There is a need to consider developing support shipyard, particularly in underdeveloped region. Second, further PT PAL is expected to give relevant and meaningful feedback to excellent decision makers, officials at the Indonesian Navy headquarters. The third, PT PAL must also evaluate the maintenance and repair activities of KCR60 on regularly and keep it close contact with the user. In this case, the Armada 1, 2, and 3 as the major operational command. My presentation. Thank you very much.